So today we are going to see how to change the default port for a Spring Boot application. You can visit my other video where I have demonstrated how to create a Hello World application. So I have this Hello World application available here, which has a main class and a web endpoint, which says Hello World, and application.properties is empty. So let me start this application. Let's wait for application to start. The application is now started. We can visit, let's visit, okay, which says hello, welcome to Spring Boot. Now let's go back and change, add a property which says server.port equal to 9090 and save it. Stop the application and restart it. So you can see it already says the Tomcat it started on 1990. We can go back and refresh this page, which will fail to load because now the Tomcat is on, or your server is started on 1990, and there it is. So now your application is now running on 1990. That's it for this today.